back. I'm Julie with Charles Rottenberg, and today I'm going to be touring this amazing home in Sarasota. It's roughly 5,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, of which 2 are master bedrooms, and 3 full bathrooms. It has a pool, a dock, and a boat lift. So let's go take a look at this amazing home. Welcome inside, you guys. As you can see, we actually have a staircase leading us right into the family room. And we are going to check out the family room in a moment, but first I want to head towards the master bedroom on the right and actually check out this little office space that's right in front of the master bedroom. I love this little peekaboo window that comes with it. Very, very cute. Now heading into the master bedroom, I love how we have some privacy even when the door is open, because you're not standing right into the master bedroom when you open the door. And this is such a spacious master bedroom. You have lots of windows, you have your double French doors that lead us to the balcony, which we are going to check out in a moment. And the room is finished with 5-inch quarter baseboards and your crown molding. Now let's head over to the master bathroom. As you can see, this is also very spacious. You have your double vanities, of course, with lots of cabinet space. And I love the sinks that they chose for this home. These are not your typical sinks that you see in everyday home. I love the light fixtures. Everything is very well coordinated. Check out these sinks. Aren't they cute? We have your soaking tub, which this actually has jacuzzis in it. So very relaxing when you take a soaking bath. It does have windows above the tub, which usually I'm not a fan of. However, because this home sits so high, it's okay, and no one can actually peek into the window when you're taking your bath. And check out the shower, you guys. It has tile going all the way to the ceiling with a rain shower head. Perfect size shower. Love it. And now let's check out the master closet, and I would like to know from you guys if you guys think this is a big enough closet or if you would like to see a much bigger closet. So let me know in the comments below. I don't know if any of you noticed these amazing doors that are in this home, but I think they're just fabulous. What do you guys think? All right, let's head over towards the living room. But before we check this out and give it the time that it deserves, because this is such an amazing living room, I want to take you guys outside on the balcony and check out the amazing view that we have out there. So you see, you have your doors to the bedroom and the family room, and then check out this view. Isn't this awesome? And downstairs we have the pool area. And we are going to go lower later to check that out as well, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek view. Sorry, I can't say it. All right, let's check out this amazing living room and check out these ceilings. Oh my goodness. Look at the coffered ceiling. Isn't that quite stunning? I love it. And just wait until we're upstairs and check it out from up below. But you have a fireplace, you have cabinets left and right, you have even a wine cooler. So perfect for entertainment if you have your friends over. I know we're in COVID, but still. Then we have the dining room just off the kitchen and the family room. And off the breakfast nook, there is actually another room which is set up as a formal living room, but I think we could also use it as a game room or a bonus room or man cave. But I think this room is fabulous, and it also leads us to the lanai, or I should say the balcony. All right, let's check out the kitchen and all the amazing features that it comes with. So the first thing I'm noticing is these are 42-inch upper cabinets with crown molding finished. And you have your granite countertops. I also noticed that they staggered the cabinets, so I like that a lot because it gives it some more dimension. You have a pot filler, you have your gas range, which all these appliances are Wolf. And of course you have your double oven that can't be missing in a home like this. And that door right there is your pantry. To the right of the kitchen, we have a formal dining room, which is the octagon shape. And it has tray ceiling with chrome molding inside and this beautiful chandelier. You have 3 large windows and French doors that lead you to another lanai. This door right here is actually an elevator. So if you don't want to take the stairs, you can take the elevator. Unfortunately, it was locked, so I can't go inside. So we are gonna take the stairs upstairs. But check out these railings. What do you think about them? All right, you guys, up here we have 3 additional bedrooms, of which one of them is a second master bedroom. So it's pretty much the same size as downstairs. It has the same privacy to the bedroom entry, so you don't see anything when you have the door open, which I like. So the only thing it doesn't have is doors going outside anywhere, but it has the same size as the downstairs bedroom. The bathroom is a little bit smaller, but yet you still have 2 vanities, same style. Actually, these are slightly different, but the same look of it as we have downstairs. And here we have a walk-in shower. So the bathroom is slightly different than downstairs. There's no soaking tub, but most likely this would be a bedroom that you probably give your parents, which they would probably not take baths anyways. And then here we have the closet, and it has even its own washer and dryer. So there actually are 2 sets of washer and dryer. There's one downstairs for the main house and one up here. Now check out this view. Isn't this pretty awesome? Looking down. I love this view. This is perfect. And across the hall, we have 2 more bedrooms and even a little loft area. I love those guitars, by the way. That's why I had to take a close-up. So here to the right, we have the loft area. And here's the first of the 2 bedrooms. And I do have to say, these are really nice sizes for secondary bedrooms. And the shared bathroom up here. I love these cabinets. And again, all the tile to the ceiling. And right across, we have the second bedroom. All right, let's head downstairs and go all the way downstairs to the pool area and check that out. So here we are. You have a bar, as you can see, with a sink. This is the deck that we were on earlier. A jacuzzi. The water feature that just gives it a little extra something. And here we have the dock that will lead us to the boat with the boat lift. Isn't this neat?
This is one of the reasons why I love Florida. And here you are. And check out this view. Oh my goodness. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in your next video.